Thank you guys for checking out another video. I am especially thankful today to be able to be making this video for you guys. For anyone that doesn't know, I was in the hospital. I had an accident at work and I got second-degree burns all over my hands and face. And for the last week and a half, I haven't been able to do anything. You know, I hardly been able to eat. I can't sleep. I can't do anything. I had a follow-up doctor's appointment yesterday, which was actually my birthday. And they told me within the next 2 days I can take my bandages off my hands. They said my face is fully healed, besides being just a little discolored yet. So I'm so thankful that I can make this video. And I actually got a package in the mail today, and it's more carbon fiber for the car. So I'm super excited, and thank you guys so much for everyone that's been here. You know, I think we're up to like 300 subscribers. I just really appreciate it. And to top off, put the icing on the cake, it's 65 degrees today. It's been in the 20s, 30s, and 40s the last like 3 weeks, and it's 65 degrees. It is like the ideal temperature outside. I'm so excited. And today we got a nice little piece of carbon fiber here to add to the carbon fiber that we've been putting on the car. And I can actually open up the garage door, I can pull the car outside, and I can work on my car outside today. This is amazing. So, for everyone that didn't see it yet, this is my carbon fiber duckbill that I got the other day. I put that on, I have a video on that if you want to check it out. It's just the eBay carbon fiber duckbill. And then I obviously have my carbon fiber Subaru emblem, and I just got this carbon fiber. I'm not too crazy on the weave difference. As you can see, it's like a wider weave on this one, and it's like a tighter weave on these. But it looks so good. You know, and I actually got this from FTD Carbon. They're a smaller company. They just kind of started up, and they had really good pricing on these, so I definitely wanted to take advantage of it. They make a really cool two-piece carbon fiber vortex generator. When I say two-piece, it like cuts down the middle, and you have two pieces to put on, which is awesome. I just ordered that, so that'll be another upcoming install video. We're just wrapping this together. We're just bringing all this carbon together to make this thing look awesome. Now this thing looks pretty simple. There is obviously 3M tape to keep it from rattling, and it actually came with caps to put over those top screws to hide the screws. It didn't come with screws though, so I hope the caps work with the screws that I already have. But the thing is, it's got nice surface area, so I'm thinking I can even print out a sticker and put it down on the bottom, because I'm so used to having my Cobb sticker. For all you scratch freaks, I gotta repaint this trunk anyway. My buddy is a PDR specialist, and he can't get this dent out, so I'm gonna have to repaint my trunk. But since I have a spoiler here, I'm just going to do a little blend here on both the ends with some blending solvent, and I'm just going to paint the top. So that'll save me a little bit of time. But anyways, I'm going to pull, actually, I'm not even going to pull it out in the sun because the sun's beating on it right now. This is awesome. So I'm going to pull my plate off, and I'm going to put this over top. The only thing I would change about this, which obviously it's harder to do because of carbon fiber, a lot of like the Cobb plates and such have like little tabs inside of here that you can slide your plate in, whereas this just goes directly over it. But that's literally no big deal. This is such an easy install. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. The holes line up perfect. I just want to take that 3M tape off. Oh, okay. I got an idea here. I think the ideal situation here would be, since this covers up the bottom holes, I think there's room that we can put screws in the bottom to hold it tight, and then we can actually put that over those screws and then just tape that onto the plate. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go look for a couple more screws. That way I can just get this thing bolted down nice and tight. Oops. Now these screws are all I could find, and they don't really have a whole lot of bite. They definitely tighten up. I'm not really concerned about them coming loose. I think they'll be fine. But I mean, the plate doesn't rattle that much. All right, now I wish this would have came with screws, because I don't know that the covers they gave me are gonna. Okay, change of plans. I don't like the way that's sitting. Awesome, my plate's actually bent a little in the middle. So I'm gonna, oh, sorry guys. You've never seen it take anyone this long to put a plate on in your life, I'm sure. I just want to have a one and done. I don't feel like coming back to this a week later and being like, oh man, why didn't I just fix that right away? My plate's kind of bent in the middle. I'm just gonna bend it back up. That's good enough. Like I said, I could definitely put something behind there to make it a little bit better. But that's it, guys. It's on. More carbon fiber. Wow, man. This stuff looks incredible. This is awesome, guys. I definitely got to put my taillight tint back on, but I took my taillight tint off because I'm doing something to my taillights again. So obviously you guys know I had custom painted taillights. I painted them, they look pretty cool, and I ended up selling them, and I think I'm gonna put them back on the car. So, well, obviously not put them back on the car, but I'm gonna do something different with these. I had a couple more ideas, something maybe a little bit more unique than the last idea I did. I don't know, we'll see yet. I've also been debating whether or not I want to take this WRX badge off when I trunk swapped and I didn't have a badge. I just want people to know it's not an STI. You know, when they get freaking spanked by this car, I want them to know it's a WRX, not an STI. So anyways, I'm thinking, since I have the black Subaru stars on the emblem, I'm gonna put a black sticker on here or something. You're not gonna see it, you know, unless you're looking for it, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know what it's gonna say yet, but I'm probably gonna print something out for it. But yeah, man, it's an awesome day. I think I'm gonna go wash the car and just go out for a drive and have a good day. So like I said, you can be expecting the video for the carbon fiber vortex generator soon, as well as I'm getting the little pieces here that are carbon fiber. Now the vortex generator should be the same weave as this piece here, but it's going to be awesome. So definitely look out for that video when it comes out. Definitely look out for my new taillights when I end up respraying these. I took my third brake light out, or my fourth brake light, my fog light, because I was planning on doing something different with it, and I'm still going to end up doing that. I still got to get to these wheels, but I'm telling you guys, it's been so cold, so ugly out. You know, days like today, if they keep up, we're gonna have a great spring. I just know it. And we're gonna get a lot done on this thing. So I really appreciate you guys checking out the video today. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more, and let me know how I'm doing. And I will catch you guys in the next one.